Hi, I'm Seth Atkinson. Welcome to Microsoft. If you're an educator and you want to familiarize yourself with Azure and cloud computing, or maybe you want your class to get some experience with cloud computing, or you have some files to share and collaborate on, or you want to spin up a couple of servers in the cloud and use them from anywhere, you can do all of that for free for a whole semester, you and your class, by signing up for a free educator account with Azure. You can just go, and if you search for Microsoft Azure Education, it'll come up here in the results. So here you have some details about the offer itself, and you can click to go ahead and get a pass for you and your class. Now you'd fill in some information. Once your accounts are approved and created, you can go to your Azure dashboard. Let's say you want to create a server in the cloud that you can use to collaborate from anywhere. You go to your Azure dashboard, you click Virtual Machines here on the left pane, and you click New down at the bottom. Click Create. Now you give a name to the machine that you want to create, something descriptive. You can choose what operating system you want this machine to run. One of your options, of course, we hope that you use Windows, but one of your options is that you could use Linux. You could choose how powerful the machine is, so let's give it a couple cores and 3.5 gigabytes of memory. But if you ever wanted to create a more powerful machine or multiple machines that are less powerful, you have that option as well. And of course, with a physical machine, that's simply not the case. Now you give an administrator account that will have access initially to this machine. Give them a password. Make sure you got the password the same both times. Then you want to choose the region where this machine will actually sit in a data center. So what you want to do here is choose the one that's closest to where you're physically located most of the time. And you click Create. So you go grab a cup of coffee, and by the time you get back, your machine has been created. If you were to do this with a physical machine on premises, you would have to get the hardware, unpack it, set it up, connect it, install an operating system, make sure your internet connection is working. It would take you weeks to do what you just did in 2 minutes.
Thank you for viewing Microsoft Azure in Education. Here are some links if you would like additional information. Thanks for visiting Microsoft.